Hello, welcome back to WINFX Trading YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invest in Dubai real estate and properties to become millionaire plus. There are things that people don't know about real estate and real properties. Okay, before I continue, what is a real estate? Okay, real estate has to do with land and anything attached to that land, whether artificial or natural, they become real estate. So the buildings on the land, the houses on the land, they're all real estate. The bridges that are man-made, okay, they're all real estate. Then when you put the benefit, the right of ownership, and the interest of leasing such properties, like the cash flow aspect of it, it becomes a real property. Okay, so if someone have a real estate but he doesn't have right to or benefit from it, like by converting it to cash flow, like by making money from it, maybe due to certain government law or local laws, then that is still real estate but not a real property. I'm talking about you having a real estate and then a real property. That means you are both. That is when you are qualified to become wealthy. Okay, so the biggest problem in real estate investment is starting. You see, it costs a lot of money to build a real estate business. You can't start by selling one land, selling one house, renting one apartment just like that, and you want to become a millionaire plus or billionaire plus in a space of time. No, you need to invest massively. You have to buy a lot of land. You have to build a lot of houses. But do you have that money? No, you don't have the money to do so. So I that's why I create this content to make it easy. You can literally start with small amount and become your own, like a self-made real estate owner, okay, and real property owner. You can start. And how does it work? You have to affiliate yourself with big real estate and real property company that are doing well by investing with them. Like, you invest in their business and then they pay you rental uh values. They pay you yield on monthly and yearly basis. Okay, you receive monthly or yearly yield. Okay, so let me show you here. Before I continue, make sure you check down the description of this video to register with this company and start changing your life. So the name of the company is Get Stake. Is verified. They are legit. They are based in Dubai. Just register with my link, because there's what we call clone. There are a lot of clone sites out there that will scam you. So you need somebody that is into the business to start. So you have to register with this link. Okay, so here you can see that the rental income paid is over 3.2 million dirham, AED, dirham, United Emirates dirham. Okay, so how does it work? Okay, you have to create account first. Okay, sign up, you create account, you purchase, you own, you exit. Maybe if you want to say you want to sell it off, you buy, you sell at high price, you buy at low price, you sell at high price. You see, let me give you one insight of real estate. Okay, real estate and real properties appreciate faster they move in one direction. It doesn't depreciate. Any point you invest in it, it must appreciate. That is it. It's natural for it to appreciate. This is not gold that go up and go down. It doesn't go down. It goes up straight. So anytime you enter, even if you enter in the next 20 years, it will still appreciate. It will appreciate. The thing is, investors have advantage over people that doesn't invest. When you invest, you make money while you sleep. That's the only thing. If you have $250 now and you didn't invest it in an asset that will appreciate by 10% in 1 year, in the next 1 year, that money you have will depreciate. But if you invested it, you must have made a 10% of it, which is basically $25. Okay? You have made $25 without stressing yourself. Then what if you invested about 100 times? That means you have made $2,500. Okay? So that's the power of investing in real estate. It moves in one direction. So when you browse, you purchase, you own, and you exit. Exit means, if you check, exit here, how will you make money? You can see, this is someone's account. Portfolio value is over 236,000 dirham. Okay? You can see. You see annual gross yield, close to 10%. You see, 10% might seem small to you, but it's big in a real estate because these are big company. Like they spend huge amount of money to build a real property. Let's say to build a house, rentable house, okay, to build house, apartment, and then customers will come and rent those apartments or buy them at a very high price. So they invest millions of dollars and they get up to billions of dollars. So imagine 10%, assuming your share, your investment in the time of building those estates is big. What is the cumulative 10% of overall profit made, which we further shared to the investors because they have to do a lot of series of calculations. So, like what I'm trying to say is that the capitalization is too much that a small percentage mean a big profit. So, if the company income or revenue is reading in trillions of dollars, 10% of trillions of dollars, you know what it is? So I'm not talking about for you, but if the company generates 10% and then your yield is also 10%, that 10% is basically in the ratio of your investment, 10% of what that thing you invested, what it produced, what the profit it made for the company, you get 10% of it. And remember that this 10% is upon the 10% of the capitalization of the total revenue of the company. So 10% of, let's say, $1 billion is around $100 million. Okay. Now, if your quota inside that $100 million profit is around $1 million, then what is 10% of $1 million? 10% of $1 million is basically, I don't need to be doing much calculation. All these things are fees. It's easy to calculate percentage without writing it down. So you are basically making $100,000. Okay, 10% of $1 million is $100,000 every year. That's what, just every, because is somebody does not rent house and then next year you will not see somebody in that house. Another person will replace the person. So it's a steady cash flow. Change your life today. You have to sign up with this company. Dubai is the highest part of this world. Like is the most business area and most populated area. Like where people are going. Like the most exotic area. It's very exotic. It's very costly. It's very luxurious. So if you invest there, your money will never go down. It will appreciate. These real estate owners or managers, they really need people to invest because to build house in Dubai is costly. So they need investors. They need angel investors. Change your life today. Thank you and bye for now.